Are you tired of this daily routine? Go through this heavy traffic just to go to your 8 hours work? To earn money? The answer is here. You'll just have to play simple yet addicting games to earn money.
Welcome sa aming channel. This is R.
And this is M.
Welcome to RMDIY YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo na mapagkakakitaan habang ginagamit mo ang oras mo sa pagse-cellphone at internet, andito ang aming channel para kayo ay turuan na siguradong kikita kayo ng pera.
And guys, every video, nagpapag-giveaway kami ng cash sa Gcash.
Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? I-subscribe mo na at hit notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video na ina-upload namin.
Congratulations to all the winners, please notify me on the comment to claim your prize. Okay guys? For our new mechanics? Number 1. All you need to do is to comment down below the hidden word, space, hashtag r.m.diy. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Number 2. Go to our Facebook page and find this thumbnail and share it publicly. The one with most number of share of their post wins. Now that you're in our Facebook, don't forget to like our page. Okay guys, let's start this tutorial by copying the download link from the description and pasting it to your browser. After that, just click open in Play Store app. And then install it. And then open the app. In this part, you'll just have to sign up using your Facebook or your Gmail. Me? I'll be using my Gmail to sign up. You'll automatically get 500 tickets upon sign up. Cool, right? You just have to claim it. You have chance to get cash prizes daily and participate automatically in their weekly money draw with the use of your tickets. In this wheel you can draw some amount of tickets or cash if you're lucky. There's a bonus if you consecutively spin this wheel daily. Oh, snap! I just got a 20 tickets only. Better luck next time. You can get 2 more spin if you watch ads here. They have a referral feature here. But referring a friend is just optional to earn. You can get 10% of their daily ticket earnings. They gave me free friend on my team. And a free 500 tickets as well. You can watch ads to double the ticket. This is the part that you're waiting for. Game time. You have to finish all these missions to collect more tickets. Okay, let's play. In this game you just have to survive for only 20 seconds to finish the mission. Okay, to play this game you just have to tap left or right to control your car to evade the upcoming cars ahead. Okay, let's play again. Okay, let's play again. Okay. This time I'll do my best to finish this mission. Wish me luck. I completed the mission. This is fun. I'll just continue playing. If you like this game, just thumbs up or comment down below. You just have to claim it. We finished one mission. We have to finish 2 more missions to unlock more tickets. In this next game you just have to reach 15 points to finish this mission. My account just leveled up. My ticket multiplier just went up. Okay, let's play again. Secret word, culture. Okay, let's play again. I completed the mission. This is fun. Last mission to go. Guys, don't forget to like or comment. And subscribe. In this last game is like Temple Run. But you'll just have to get the blue gem only. Okay, let's play. I completed the mission. This is fun. Yes. We finished all the missions and get the bonus tickets. Watch the ads if you want to double it. My account just leveled up. My ticket multiplier just went up. Okay guys. That's all the things you need to know in this application. I hope I helped you.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up?